In this video, we're going to go over our core braid for sitting. Your core braid will come in a mesh bag, rolled up nice and neat, but when you take it out, it's going to look like spaghetti. We're going to find our logo right here, and we're going to make sure that we give it a good shake out, and we're going to set it up so that the logo is against our chest. Our hands are in this top loop next to the logo, which is our shoulder straps. Keeping our hands nice and close to our body, we're going to go ahead and put it on like a jacket. And make sure that if at any point you get tension, pause, bring everything in, and wiggle jiggle. Wiggle jiggle. And it'll come on nice and easy. Give yourself a little wiggle jiggle. Once our shoulders feel on and comfortable, I'm going to take my coattails here. I'm going to shake them out. And I'm going to find this top strap that has the soft Velcro patches on it. Ours is a demonstration model that is white for easier viewing. Yours will be black so you can feel them. And I'm going to have them so that they're facing upwards. And I'm going to give myself a little massage. Notice when you pull on one side, it will pull down the other shoulder. So as you do this, you're bringing your shoulder blades down and back and opening up that chest that we keep so tight all the time. We're going to open that up to where it's comfortable. Always listen to your body. When we're ready, we're going to take our straps, our loops, straighten your arms as if you're punching, and this is going to help give you the size for your legs. If it is too tight, you're going to need to loosen them. If it's still got a lot of slack, you're going to need to tighten them. To adjust your straps, gently pull apart your Velcro. Either bring it down patches in order to loosen it, or bring it up patches in order to tighten it. Firmly and fully cover and press together your Velcro. Making sure that you've got a clean grip. Check your fit. Make sure it feels good. Okay. And then we're going to slide it over our knees so that the soft Velcro patches are inside of the legs. Now, if you find that it starts slipping up, tuck your foot towards your body to give a little bit more of an angle for your shin to grip on. You can have it lower, you can have it higher, whatever is more comfortable for you. The point is that you get it so that when you let go, it holds on. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to do our adjustments. Starting at the top with the shoulders, we're going to wiggle jiggle. We're going to make sure this is comfortable. You can get a lot of discomfort sometimes in the armpits, especially for the ladies. So what we recommend is bringing these straps a little further out, or even separating these straps so that you can have less tension, but keep the support. You can have the black up, you can have the white up. Whatever feels best for you. It's going to pull the tension away from the armpit, away from the sides of your chest, but keep your good shoulder support. And notice that it gives me a full shoulder girdle hold. It's opening my chest and bringing my shoulders down, but it's not too intense. This is also going to help relax any pressure or tension I may have in the neck here from having these straps maybe up close. Once my shoulders feel good, I'm going to take my strap here at the top with the soft Velcro, and I'm going to adjust it either up, down, tighter, or looser for comfort for my upper back and spine and my shoulders. Then I'm going to follow this along here. And I'm going to find this loop, and I'm going to gently pull it up to take out any of that bunching that we had. There we go. And now for my coup de grace. We're going to take this lower strap here, and we're going to tuck that down and just shimmy and jiggle and bring that down towards your butt The lower you go down, the better the low back support. You can get it by also taking this back cross here and gently pulling apart and bringing that cross further down. What this does is allows me to have full top to bottom spine support. So I'm getting all the way down into that pelvis and that low back that everybody struggles with, let's be honest here. So once I have everything adjusted, I'm gonna just give another wiggle jiggle. I'm gonna get another shimmy shake. If it feels like it's maybe too tight up here, but you'll want a little more down here, go ahead and take your straps and gently wiggle jiggle. Any adjustment, small adjustments, wiggle jiggle, a matter of centimeters will make all of the difference. Listen to your body and it will tell you what it needs. And those needs will change every time you wear it. Once I feel like I got it on and it's comfortable, I'm gonna go ahead and take that deep breath. So we're going to relax back, imagining like you're falling back in a trust fall to a good friend who's holding you. And you're gonna let your low back and your mid back and your up back and all of it just into the braid. This will tell you if you need more support, less support, or if the support is in the right parts where you need it. And just kind of trust it. And this will let you know what feels good. From here, there are any number of sitting positions that you can get your support. The most important things are play with it, go slow and be gentle, wiggle jiggle, and listen to your body.